I'm Martine D'Alessandro. I work in Diego Lehrman's Coral Restoration and Benthic Ecology Lab. I'm the Senior Research Associate and Lab Manager. I started in 2018. I was hired to oversee all the field and lab activities for the Coral Restoration Lab. I help manage the 2 offshore coral nurseries that we have. A typical day on the job may include working in the lab, doing some coral tissue analyses, or cleaning tanks, checking on the corals that we have, fragmenting corals using a diamond bandsaw or tile saw, or we may be offshore doing some work at our coral nursery, which may involve cleaning trees or fragmenting corals and outplanting them onto reefs.